Welcome back. I found something very impressive, and I am excited to share it with you. Make sure you watch it till the end.
Most people go into a relationship and marriage without knowing the rules. I wish you would understand what I'm about to say. Whether you are married or not, pay full attention to me. I have spent over 30 years of my life sitting with couples, mending broken hearts, and guiding young couples into the beautiful sanctuary of marriage. And if there is one thing I have learned, it is this: you cannot harvest yams in a farm you did not plant. Today, I see so many of you rushing into the forest of love with a blindfold on your eyes. And then you wonder why you are tripping over the roots. The elders say that a man who does not know where the rain began to beat him will not know where he dried his body. You see two people smiling on a screen and you jump into a commitment without asking for the manual. How can you play a game when you do not know the rules? If you step onto a football pitch and start holding the ball with your hands, the referee will blow the whistle and send you out. That is exactly what is happening to your generation. You enter marriage without knowing the demands, without understanding the sacrifice, and when the fire gets hot, you run out and start saying that love is a scam. My children, love is not a scam. It is the sweetest wine when served in a clean cup. But remember, the soup that is delicious usually costs money and time to prepare. You want the beauty of a garden, but you are afraid to touch the soil. Marriage is a heavy load, and you must have a strong neck to carry it. If you are not ready to be a servant, do not look for a partner. If you are not ready to forgive 7 times, 70 times in a single day, then stay away from the altar. Do not go and bring a negative story to the world just because you were in a hurry to wear a white gown or a black suit. It is better to be single and waiting for the right knowledge than to be married and living in a house of thorns. The elders say that he who swallows a large udala seed must surely have confidence in the size of his throat. If you do not have the patience, the character, and the wisdom to sustain a home, please stay back and learn. Love is a beautiful experience, and marriage is a glorious journey. But it is only for those who have taken the time to study the map, learn the rules, understand the demands, and only then should you step into the dance. If you do it right, you will see that life is indeed a song worth singing. My name is Grandpa Edmond Okoroigwe. I am here to help reshape the face of marriage and relationships. If you love what I am doing, always share, like, and drop a comment to help my videos reach a wider audience who needs it. Gracias.
This was very insightful for me, and I hope it was the same for you. Thank you for watching this video with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye.